Do you want to send and receive text messages on your laptop without checking your phone? But before answering to this question, if you haven't subscribed in this channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you will get notified when I post a new useful video. Now first open Chrome browser on your laptop and type messages.google.com. Now choose Messages for Web. In this moment, a barcode appears on the browser and you need to scan it from your phone. So open Messages app on your Android phone and tap on your profile. This time tap on Device Pairing and wait a bit. In the next screen, click on Switch to QR Pairing. Now tap on QR Code Scanner and scan the QR code on your laptop. Congratulations! Now you successfully sync your laptop to your Android phone. On the browser, allow the notifications and then tap on Yes to allow messages remember this computer.